Hello everybody and welcome to another lesson in your English tutor. Today we will be learning again about present perfect. This is part 2. So, in the previous lesson we had the form subject plus the verb plus the rest of the sentence. Now we will look at when you use the subject he, she, and it. When you use he, she, and it, you need to add an S to the verb or an ES, depending on what verb it is. For example, he talks. The verb talk, he talk, but with an S. He talks to me every day. That is present perfect. She eats with an S. She eats. Okay? She eats a banana every day at lunch. She eats every day a banana. She eats. Focusing on the S and the S in talks. Because we use he, she, we must add an S. Now here we have it watches. Notice we have ES. ES is a special one. We will look at this in the next slide. It watches. Why do sometimes we use S and sometimes ES? Good question. In English, there are funny rules sometimes. When to use ES. If the verb ends in SH, CH, O, SS, X, and Z. I know what you're thinking. This is hard. This is so difficult. Why so many things? It's really actually simple. In English, there isn't too many of these ES words. There's not too much. The most common are SH and CH. These are the most important. For example, I finish work. SH. SH. If the verb ends in SH, what do? Add ES. He finishes work. When you use I, me, I finish work. He, she, or it finishes. He finishes. She dresses beautiful. SS. She dresses beautiful. And then the rest of the sentence. For example, he finishes work at 5 p.m. She dresses beautiful every day. Now, you and me will do some practice together. Write these in your notebook. She blank finish work at 5 p.m. So what do we need to do to finish, to fill the blank? She finish, we need to add es at the end. So the word becomes she finishes work. And I will write the es in red. She finishes work at 5 p.m. Here is the next one. James blank wake up early in the morning. So notice now we do not use she or he. We use a name, James. So that means we do not need to add es. We just have to add one s. So wake becomes, what do you think? Wake becomes wakes with an s. James wakes up early in the morning. Now, the next one. We use once again he. He blank catch the ball. So notice, guys, here we end the word with ch. Remember? Ch is one of our verbs that we must add es. So, he blank the ball. What do you think is the answer? If you said catches, then good job. He catches the ball. And that is it for part 2 of our present perfect lesson. Good job, guys. This is a difficult part for some people to learn. But so far, I hope you are doing good on your English journey.